Welcome to TNT Properties. If you found your way to this page, it means you're interested in one of the wonderful rental properties we have available. First off, we just want to express our gratitude. Thank you for considering us in your search for a new home. Here at TNT Properties, we're dedicated to helping you find the perfect place to call your own. Whether you're a college student in need of a temporary space or a family looking to settle down, we've got you covered. We offer a wide variety of options, ranging from single-family homes, duplexes, and fourplexes, to even large apartment complexes. Our goal is simple: to help you find your home. And that means even if what you're looking for isn't currently in our inventory. You see, we're not just property managers, we're licensed realtors. This means we have the ability to help you find a property anywhere in Brazos County and the surrounding areas. So don't hesitate to reach out. Give us a call anytime at 979-353-2567. We're here and ready to help you find your next home.